All right, guys, we're here in the Acura, and it's time for me to make the announcement that at least I know I've been waiting for, and I'm going to register the S2000. Perfect. All right, guys, here we are. We're back in the car. I'm heading to my tag office for my county, which is also the tax office. So let's just quick recap over the process here and where we're at. So I'm going to make a bigger video going over the whole process and all the paperwork and all the repairs that were made, but I'm just going to do a quick recap and update video here. And I went over the car, I repaired everything that I thought needed to be repaired. I got an inspection. The first inspection failed. I did more repairs as requested by the inspector. I got the car aligned, I replaced the steering rack, I replaced the bumper absorber, which is probably the most expensive piece of styrofoam I've ever bought. And then I got a second inspection. So once I got the second inspection, the inspection process was done. The car was physically finished. Now it's on to the paperwork and the legal side of it. So I gathered all my paperwork, all the necessary forms. Like I said, I'll go over that in another video. But I took all my forms down to the Department of Revenue, which is here in Atlanta. So luckily I'm close enough that I can drive. And they look over everything and they say, okay, everything's good. So they gave me a registration, they gave me a receipt, and then they gave me a request for payment of the taxes for the county. So I had actually already gone down to the tax office and paid the taxes, hoping that they would just hand me a plate, but no such luck. And now I had to get the emissions done. So I did the emissions this morning. The emissions are complete. They should go immediately into the system. If not, I have the paperwork here with me. And if everything goes well, I'm gonna walk into this office where I just pulled up and they will just hand me a tag. So let's go see. All right, guys, so we got the plate. So it's done, that's it. No more, we're done, it's over. See you later, bye. Alright, guys, so the sun driving home was awful, so I figured I would let you know how it went. So I got the tag. I'm not going to show you the number, but I did get a license plate. It is for the S2000, and the S2000 is now on the road. So now that it's on the road, that means the salvage or rebuild process is done. I have the rebuilt title, I have registration, I have a license plate, I have insurance. I can now drive the car. So hopefully not the rest of our videos will be me just, you know, sitting in the garage or something crazy like that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. More to come for sure.